Good day, Sir Pandiin. I am Mike Kramer Quijano together with
Shane Elandoy.
we are presenting our project entitled Farm Equipment Sharing and Reservation System. The purpose of the system is to help farmers, LGU staff, and administrators manage farm equipment reservations, monitor equipment availability, and track equipment conditions through a centralized platform. Currently, our project is approximately 60% complete. For this presentation, we will demonstrate the major modules that we have successfully developed so far. For our system, it also implements select role or role-based login. So, pag-create sa account or registration, magpili siya og iyang role, which is ang farmer, ang admin, or ang LGU staff.
Let's go to admin dashboard. This is our admin dashboard. The admin dashboard serves as the main monitoring center of the system. It provides an overview of important statistics such as total equipment, total reservation, pending requests, available equipment, and damaged equipment. These statistics are automatically updated based on the records stored in the system database. The dashboard allows administrators to quickly monitor equipment usage, reservation activities, and equipment condition without manually checking individual records.
So the progress that we made during this week, sir, is kaning naka-implement namin sa equipment inventory, which is ang admin is makita niya ang mga existing nga mga equipment. There's equipment inventory, and then ano yung mga accrued operations dire, which is ang edit, change status, and kaning delete. Dire pwede po mag-add ang admin og equipment since naman siya capability nga mabuhat ana or pwede na sa iyang dashboard. Then next is kaning all reservations or makita niya ang kaning mga nag-reserve nga mga farmer og equipment nga ilang hulaman. There is na po yung mga actions like accept or reject. So there is pending pa siya since nag-request pa man ang farmer.
This is the staff dashboard. The staff dashboard is intended for LGU personnel responsible for managing equipment. The dashboard displays important statistics including total equipment, available equipment, borrowed equipment, and equipment under maintenance. The staff module section provides access to several management tools like equipment inventory module, availability tracking module, and damage report management. Using these modules, staff members can update equipment information, monitor equipment availability, and review reported damages.
Here in this module, na-implement na po na mo, sir, ang kaning equipment inventory. Same sa admin, na po siya capability, ang staff is kaya po niya mag-perform og CRUD operations diri sa such as pag-add og equipment, pag-delete, or pag-edit. Since mo ginay rules sa isa ka staff.
This is our availability tracking module. These features allow staff and administrator to monitor the current status of all equipment. Equipment can have different statuses such as available, reserved, borrowed, under maintenance. For example, the tractor is currently reserved while the grass cutter is available. This helps ensure that equipment availability is always accurate and visible to users. Next is the farmer dashboard. The farmer dashboard is designed for farmers who want to borrow or reserve farm equipment. At the top, the dashboard displays a personalized welcome message for the logged-in farmer. The dashboard also provides quick statistics including available equipment and total reservation. Before the statistics are the quick action buttons which allow the farmers to view available equipment, reserve equipment, view the reservation, and submit damage reports. This dashboard makes it easier for farmers to access all essential services from a single page.
In this dashboard, sir, is ang among implement is sa available equipment and sa reserve equipment lang sa farmer pa. Then ang other modules is we are currently working pa, sir.
For the remaining 40% of the project, we plan to complete notification features, additional reservation validation, report generation, user experience improvements, and final testing and debugging.
So that's all for our 60% progress in this system, sir. Thank you and God bless.